Thursday. I'm just heading into the Octopus Tech Summit, and what we're going to find out is announced today by Octopus Energy. Guesses down in the comments if you don't already know. Now, what's interesting about this event is Octopus, unlike other traditional energy companies, have invited all customers to this event. And what's really interesting is the sort of service customers are made here to feel like the VIPs. And the VIPs are the customers, and they are literally at the front of the audience with the best seats, the best views of everyone that's talking here today. So some of the huge names, including astronaut Tim Peake, and we've got Boris Johnson, and we've got some other talks, and some fantastic speakers. But everything here is free. There was breakfast this morning, food, croissants, sausage rolls, bacon rolls, sausage and bacon rolls. We've got food later on and canapes. We've got drinks flowing all day. So there's alcoholic drinks later on, but this morning we've got everything from Coke to orange juice to water. You name it, it's here, and it's free for all the customers that are able to apply for the free ticket and get here today.
The slightly mad energy of one man who just happens to be from my hometown as well. Please welcome the founder and CEO of Octopus Energy, Greg Jackson.
Today, these are the outlines. The government have announced in the UK that they're going to make it easy to get plug-in solar. It's called balcony solar. There are millions in Europe. It opens up the opportunity to generate solar panels even if you can't put them on your roof. There are 4.7 million people in the UK that live in rented accommodation. And of course, there are millions and millions that live in flats. If you can get solar panels, the most important thing to do is to get a battery. And so we will be launching our Octopus Nook, Cube, and Buddy. These will be 2 kilowatt-hour batteries. You can stack up to 5 of them to get 10 kilowatt-hours. Even if you don't have solar panels, they'll pay for themselves in 2 or 3 years, and thereafter just keep saving money because they'll be able to use the cheapest electricity on the grid to charge up, and then you'll be able to use it in your home. And if you do have solar panels, it should be an absolute no-brainer. And for people who want bigger batteries, we're announcing the Octopus Nook Colossus. It's a big one. It's 10 kilowatt-hours. You can stack up to 3 of them. They'll be about a third cheaper than the best-known battery brands. And all of these batteries will come with Octopus intelligence built in. So they'll optimize immediately against smart tariffs to start saving you money. But they'll be fully configurable. So if you want to use, for example, all the solar in your house yourself, rather than going to the battery, or you want to go in the battery rather than the grid or whatever, you'll be able to configure all of that yourself. And finally, can anyone guess what this is? It is an automotive battery. I tell you, the problem with having 4,000 people is there's everyone in this room, right? So this is Swaptopus. Let's have a look.
CATL, they are the biggest battery manufacturer in the world, and they got there for a reason. They are incredibly high quality. They cut their teeth on LFP, which is quite a docile chemistry. It's difficult to get wrong. And Tesla's used them in the standard range Model 3 before, but they've since got very good at using NMC, which is a bit more volatile, a bit more difficult to get right. But the quality of their NMC cells is off the scale as well. Loads of European car makes use CATL batteries. So yeah, that is absolutely the right call to be partnering with CATL there. They're going to have really high quality cells in those products.
What we have here is the 2 plug-in solar batteries, which means that you can basically just buy these from Octopus when they're up for sale and then plug them in via traditional 3-pin socket. There is solar strings that you can connect to them by having a couple of panels outside. There's a couple of strings on the side of these. Whether it stays like this in the production version, we don't know, but at the moment there's 4 separate strings that you can put into this. You can stack the batteries, so they're 2.5 kilowatt hour modules, and you can stack them correspondingly. This is the big battery. This is the larger one, which is meant for dedicated home proper installs, and that's a 10 kilowatt hour battery, various inverter sizes to be announced. As soon as I have more information, I will do a video on it. I just want to get that little bit out, but I think the real shocker today isn't these batteries here. I think the real shocker is the truck, the truck batteries, the swappable batteries, because truck transport, everyone thought it was going to possibly go hydrogen or electric megawatt charging, but swappable batteries just means that you can look at the route up and down the country, select where they're going, and then add those swappable charging stations up and down the country.
So me and Sarah have just left the Octopus Tech Summit. I'm a bit drunk, I've already had 2 beers, but Sarah's sober.
I'm high on ice.
I mean, quick sum up of what you think today?
Great. I think the idea, if they change the name to make it sound more like a festival, it's brilliant, because that's the vibe.
Nice. Octopus Tech Festival.
Yeah?
Oops.
Love it.
See you in a bit.
Bye.